Today I'm going to teach you how easy it can be to learn how to sing while you multitask. For example, I'm going to start from scratch and I'm going to cook. So let's do this. This is an exercise to work on agility, breath support, the muscles that we talk about, especially the belly button coming in and up, and how to get the notes to be separated so that they don't slur together. Make sure that each one feels very distinct, but none of them are coming from here. It's all from down here. Also, you want to feel like you're leading to the last note. All that air, all that extra energy is leading to the last note, so it still has enough breath support to get through it. And if you feel like you don't, just keep pushing in and up with that belly button and then thinking about that last note, holding out and letting it blossom. Keep going. Food is cooking, I've got plenty of time to do both, even with a cat on my shoulder. Ready? this one, and I will hit that high note. I will. Oh, I know I can. I gotta practice though. Here's the faster one. Here we go. That's how you get better. It shouldn't feel perfect. There's always something to work on. Always.